Unlock your creative potential with Impressionist Photography. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I discuss why Impressionist Photography is the best way to explore your creativity. You will learn how to harness your techniques to head in your desired direction and increase your confidence through practice and experimentation. I also talk about the importance of simplicity and how to see the world through the artist's eye. So join me as we explore the beauty of Impressionist photography. Impressionist photography is full of surprises. It's not an exact science. When you use a specific technique, the outcome is not always precise. The process takes on a life of its own, and anything can happen. Sometimes the result surpasses your hopes, but there is also the risk of failure. This is all part of the thrill of Impressionist photography. When you know what might happen, you can use it to go in your desired direction. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your skills, and the better your pictures will be. My understanding of how Impressionist photography techniques behave comes from many years of practice, and I am still learning. Almost every image I create is an experiment, a chance to discover something new. I love this style. I love the intense concentration it demands, and the bliss of being totally caught up in the moment. For me, the time spent observing the subject, waiting for the right moment, is as exciting as pushing the shutter release. The finished result is no more important than the joy of the photo shoot. The incredible power of Impressionist photography comes from its simplicity. The idea behind the saying, less is more, is that you can create a more powerful image by simplifying your composition and focusing on your main subject. Impressionist photography means using minimal elements to convey your message or feeling. You don't want to overwhelm the viewer and weaken the impact of the image. When you concentrate on your main subject, you can use the surrounding elements to enhance it and create a sense of context or atmosphere. Think of your image as a form of shorthand. Experiment with how much you can suggest with minimal details. This allows you to convey your idea with subtlety and elegance that can be more impactful than a photograph that includes too much information. In the art of photography, the interplay between elements in a composition is essential. It's about perceiving the relationship between features and objects rather than viewing them in isolation. As you compose your image, it's important to contemplate the dance of each element with its surroundings and how it adds to the overall emotion or story of the photograph. The visual world is a vast and endlessly inspiring place, but it's essential to remember that as a photographer and artist, you're not a slave to it. You can take what you want from the subject and create your vision. Seeing the world through the artist's eye means looking behind the subject and focusing on the shapes, tones, lines, and colors. By doing this, you can see the potential for exciting compositions and use the elements to create a more dynamic and engaging image. Being an artist also means being driven by what excites you and what you want to photograph. It's about finding your own vision and style and not being afraid to take risks and experiment. Impressionist photography aims not just to take a picture of something, but to make an image that shows how you see it and feel about it. That is the key to being an artist in photography. By following your inspiration, you are free to create your own vision, and that's what makes photography so exciting, as every photographer experiences and interprets the world differently, giving us endless possibilities to see and appreciate the world. Impressionist photography is like a dance with the unknown, where every click of the shutter is a step into the unpredictable. It's about embracing the unexpected and using it to create something beautiful and unique. It's about distilling the essence of a moment and capturing it with simplicity and elegance. It's about seeing the world through an artist's eye and being driven by what excites you. It's about remembering that the visual world is your playground and that you have the freedom to create your own vision. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope you've found this video informative and inspiring. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in the next one.